The African painted dog is also known as a highly social African hunting dog. Here are some facts about the African painted dog that is one of our endangered species that we found at the Dilawri Park Zoo. The painted dog lives in deserts, forests, and grasslands. The largest populations remain in southern Africa and the southern part of East Africa. African painted dogs can weigh anywhere between 40 to 70 pounds, and they could get as big as 30 inches to 56 inches. They're able to live anywhere between 10 to 12 years. Now, they usually hunt in the early morning and again in the late evening. Some animals that they like to hunt are gazelles and other antelopes, warhogs, rats, and birds. African painted dogs have a close-knit family structure, and they communicate through high, squeaky calls. They can run over 40 miles per hour. Pups will always eat first, even before the alpha, which are the lead dogs. The African painted dogs are becoming endangered because they are now being isolated, which means they're only being contained to a certain area of grasslands and open woodland habitats in the southern and eastern Africa. So their land is being taken away from them. So they're getting to smaller areas, which doesn't allow them to have all the resources that they need. So now we need to figure out how could we help the African painted dog not become extinct.